Welcome back to the Distinction Factory, where we make our mark. Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate the loan installment. The scenario is as follows. The amount of the we are borrowing is 1.2 million. Okay, so this we're going to need to sub as our present value. We've got our interest rate here, and it's important to take note that this is a compounded monthly interest rate. So when I'm subbing in as I, because it's compounded monthly, it needs to be over 1200. Okay, then we've got our period as 20 years. Now remember, we're repaying every single month because it's compounded monthly. So our N will be 20 times by 12, giving us 240. And then our unknown happens to be our installment, X. So I'm going to start by subbing everything into their positions. So 1.2 million as our present value, X as our unknown, 1 minus 1 plus our interest rate, 7.8 over 1200. And then our N is negative 240. And that's all over our interest rate again, 7.8 over 1200. Great, so now we just need to try and solve for X. So we're going to start by moving this across. It's division here, so it goes across and becomes multiplication. And then we're left with X times by this big ass bracket on this side. So when the bracket goes across, it needs to become division. Remember, the entire side needs to get divided by that bracket. So we're now going to be having a 1.2 million times by 7.8 over 1200 divided by what's in our bracket. Okay, and then we'll type that into our calculator. And once we type it into our calculator, we will get out our X. So X is equal to 9,888.43. Don't forget to stipulate that that's in rands. Thanks. Catch you next time.